Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Today, we'll be taking a look at two of the most high-powered vacuums on the market. It's the Dyson V15 versus the Dyson Outsize. Which is best for you? Let's go ahead and find out now. At Modern Castle, we test all vacuums against 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. Our cleaning scores are based on the percentage of total debris by weight removed by the vacuum during our tests. The Dyson V15 and Outsize performed incredibly well on our tests. They both achieved debris removal scores of over 99%. For our test, we used the V11 Outsize, which has the same specs as the Dyson Outsize. Product differences are colors and attachments, so the test scores will be the same for both. The V15 model we used was the Dyson V15 Detect. It has the unique feature of the laser slim fluffy head, which is a floor-facing green laser. This illuminates fine particulates that might otherwise be invisible to the naked eye. The Dyson Outsize had an average debris removal score of 99.3%. Its unique cleaning feature is the high torque XL cleaner head, which is 12.5 inches wide or 25% larger than the standard width. On hardwood floors, the V15 scored 100% and the Outsize scored 99%. We used the laser slim fluffy head for the V15 and the high torque XL cleaner head for the Outsize. On low carpet, both the V15 and Outsize scored 99%. We used the high torque 2.0 cleaner head on the V15. During our test, we needed to change power modes and front gate heights to accommodate the high suction on both of these models. The high suction resulted in larger debris being pushed forward, so a lower suction level was needed to remove those debris, so as to allow the vacuum to get on top of those debris. High carpet scores were 99% for the V15 and 100% for the Outsize. Again, power modes and gate heights were adjusted for the different debris sizes. We tested the runtime of the V15 and Outsize. We fully charged the battery, then turned on the vacuums until the battery died. According to Dyson, estimated runtime is 60 minutes per fully charged battery. Our results showed the battery lasting a little longer than that, but runtimes vary based on debris size and other factors. The Outsize includes a second battery, which effectively doubles the runtime. In addition, we took a decibel level measurement for the V15 and Outsize. Here's a quick noise level demo for each model. The design of the V15 and Outsize are similar, although the Outsize is notably larger. They both can be used as a stick or handheld, and they both use the quick release system to switch attachments and tools. They both have a trigger on-off system, and both have 3 power modes, Eco, Auto, and Boost. Both models include a digital display on the back of the motor that can show remaining runtime and other updates. One difference is that the V15 has a more advanced piezoelectric sensor that detects the sizes of the debris being removed and reports that to users on the rear display. Another difference is the laser slim fluffy cleaning head included on the V15 Detect and Outsize Absolute Plus. The laser slim fluffy cleaning head uses a soft roller designed primarily for hard surface flooring. There is a laser that can shine on the floor and make it easier to see debris. The V15 also includes an upgraded high-torque cleaner head that includes polycarbonate teeth, which are designed to function as an anti-tangle comb. So the link in the description if you're interested in buying the V15 or the Outsize. The Outsize has a wider high-torque XL cleaner head. It's 12.5 inches wide, which is about 25% wider than the high-torque cleaner head. The wider width allows for a wider cleaning path and shorter cleaning runs. In addition, the high-torque XL cleaner head also includes the polycarbonate teeth, which help prevent hair tangles. The Outsize body is considerably larger than the V15. Outsize has a larger dustbin capacity at 1.89 liters compared to the V15's 0.77 liter capacity. The V15 is 49.6 inches long, the cleaner head is 9.8 inches wide, and the motor body is 10.3 inches tall. It weighs 6.8 pounds. The Outsize is 50.6 inches long, the cleaner head is 12.5 inches wide, and the motor body is 10.3 inches tall. It weighs 7.9 pounds. The Dyson V15 has 14 cyclones. The Outsize is a similar shape, but it is larger and has 18 cyclones. Both motors spin up to 125,000 RPM. The Dyson V15 has a slightly higher suction power at 230 air watts compared to the Outsize's 220 air watts. However, this did not make much of a difference when it came to cleaning performance. The V15 and Outsize also include a number of tools and attachments that can help cleaning. Both include the new hair screw tool, which is designed for removing hair. The hair screw tool uses a design that guides hair off the end of the brush, preventing tangles. We tested the hair screw tool against hair on sofas and found it did a fantastic job. We experienced 0 hair tangles during our hair removal tests. The V15 and Outsize also include the standard tool set: crevice tool, stubborn dirt brush, and combination tool. And they come with a clickable battery, docking station, charger, and wand clip. The Outsize and Outsize Absolute Plus come with 2 batteries. The V15 comes with 1 battery, but additional batteries can be purchased separately. Another highlight of both the V15 and the Outsize is the 2-in-1 design. You can use it as a full-size cordless stick or as a cordless handheld. The V15 and Outsize both use the red button quick release system. This enables you to quickly change cleaning modes, convert to and from handheld mode, and remove or attach the extension wand. The digital screen adds convenience by helping users keep track of runtime, cleaning mode, and maintenance updates. The V15 has an advanced debris sensor, and upgraded cleaning statistics can be shown on its digital screen. This also allows the V15 to adjust suction power based on floor type and debris size. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. The Dyson V15 and Outsize both have fantastic maneuverability. They are lightweight and have a turning radius of 90 degrees. They can lay completely flat so users can clean under and around furniture with ease. The larger size and heavier weight of the Outsize make it a bit more difficult to maneuver. The large dustbin might make it unwieldy in tight spaces, however, it's still highly maneuverable compared to larger upright corded vacuums. Converting to handheld and using attachment tools allows users to reach virtually any part of the room, office, car, and elsewhere. Maintenance on the V15 and Outsize is pretty straightforward. Empty the dustbin, charge the battery, and wash the filter. To empty the dustbin, point the vacuum into a trash can, and then press the release lever to open the bin. To wash the filter, simply remove it from the unit, rinse it with cool water, and allow it to air dry for 24 hours or until it's completely dry. You should wash the filter around once a month. So, which model is best for you? The Dyson V15 or the Dyson Outsize? I recommend the Dyson V15 if you want the laser slim fluffy head and advanced particle sensors. The soft roller head does a great job on hard floors, and the laser adds better visibility for small particulates. The Piezo sensor detects particle sizes and displays them on the digital screen, giving users a detailed view of the cleaning progress. I recommend the Dyson Outsize if you want a wider cleaning path and an extra battery. The cleaning head is 25% larger than the V15, meaning you can clean large areas in less time. The additional battery doubles the runtime and allows users to charge one battery while using the other, so they won't have to interrupt the cleaning session. The Outsize is best suited for homes with a large floor plan. I recommend the Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus if you want both the laser slim fluffy head and the extra battery. Its size, weight, and specs are identical to the Outsize, but it adds the laser slim fluffy head for upgraded cleaning on hard floors. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Dyson at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the V15 or the Outsize. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.